And welcome to solution to QR code 4. In this question, you're told you've got a parallelogram, and you're told that PQ is the vector represented by the vector 2a, and PS is represented by the vector 2b. You're also told that M is the midpoint of QR and N is the midpoint of SR. So what you need to remember is that vector, when we're looking at vectors, direction is important. So this way, the vector is 2a. In the opposite direction, it will be negative 2a. So we're asked to find, in terms of A and B, QS. That means we have to start at Q here and finish at S. So we're going here and here, along QR to here, and then down to S here. So because it's a parallelogram, we can use the vector. So QR and PS are equal to each other, and they go in the same direction. So it's still 2b there. RS is equal to PQ, but it's an opposite direction. So from R to S, it would be minus 2a. So we could say that QS is equal to QR plus RS, and we can replace that with the vectors 2b and minus 2a. And if we wanted to, we could factorize it. So we've got two lots of b minus a for QS. There's only one mark for that because it is fairly straightforward and fairly obvious. Now the next part of the question asks you to find MN. That's a little bit more tricky because we're going from the midpoint here to N here. But we have to travel along things that we know. So we know that this part here is half of QR. So we know that this is B. So from here to here, MR is equal to B because it's half QR. And we also know that R to N is half of RS, so that's just going to be negative A. So we could say that B minus A is equal to MN. Now, in the exam, you can draw this on and write those things on, or you could actually state that MN is equal to a half QR plus a half RS, and that would then allow you to write B minus A. But you need to show some sort of working together. You can't just suddenly pull it out the hat. That's also 1 mark. And then says, what is the relationship between the line segment QS, so that's here to here, QS, and MN? And use your vectors to justify an answer. Well, what you know is that QS is equal to 2 lots of MN because the vectors are the same. We've got this B minus A, we've got 2B minus A is equal to B, sorry, yeah, 2BA is equal to 2 lots of B minus A because MN is B minus A. So they're equal as long as QS is 2BA, 2 lots of that. That means that they're parallel because QS is a multiple of MN. And that's what the examples are looking for you to write down.